Well, hello, this is Boatshed Cornwall, showing you the interior, more so the cockpit of this Walker Bay Generation 360 rib. Just panning up to the helm position. I'll just take you forward. So this one's with the L-shaped seating at the forward end, little backrest, foredeck. As you've seen in the pictures, there's sort of little lockers underneath these seat bases. Again, the speaker for the audio system. There's one aft under the helm seat. I'll just walk you round. So this is the console. It has two full function display units rather than the one bigger one. Helm control, and this seat opens up, and again a large